Hey everybody, my name is Josue Lopez. I did a research study with Dr. Katawada. We were discovering about turmeric powder. For those who don't know what turmeric powder is, it is a powder used in many spices in Middle East and Asian countries. Our specific goal of this research was to focus on the curcumin aspect, which has a lot of antioxidant as well as anti-inflammatory properties. If you look at these two samples right here, there's a discoloration. This one is a brighter orange. This is a darker orange. This is from this was imported and this was locally grown. So our basic thing that we wanted to discover was what was the cause of this discoloration. We read a study found in Bangladesh where there was a possibility of a lead chromate infused into the powder, which is an orange powder, and if that was the case, that caused some worry. So we did a variety of samples and processes to find exactly what exact concentration was found in each sample.
And so my professor was really worried about lead chromate contamination because she read a paper from Bangladesh showing that in the small village there was some lead chromate in the turmeric. That's a orangey yellow dye that is really bad for people if you eat it, of course, lead. And so we took the ICP machine, which sets things on fire, and the wavelengths it emits is picked up by the computer, and we are able to figure out concentrations of heavy metals such as lead, chromium, tin, all that. And we found that there is negligible amount of lead and chromium, which means there's no lead chromate dye. So we wanted to know why there was such a color difference between the organic or the rhizomes we grounded up versus the turmeric powder you can buy at the store. So we did an IR spectrum after dissolving the turmeric in ethanol. We tried to, we dissolved it to get the curcumin into the solution, and then we put it on an IR machine, which stands for infrared, and it beams infrared rays onto the chemical, and it bounces back according to the shape of the chemical. And so we got these wavelengths, and what was really interesting was that the rhizome we ground up had mostly curcumin in it, but we also had gum guaiac for the turmeric powder we bought at the store. So gum guaiac is a safe additive to put in things. It's cheaper than turmeric, so we were concluding that gum guaiac was added to the turmeric that give it the lighter color, and also to fill it out so you wouldn't have to pay as much money to just sell turmeric powder. And we're just happy it isn't like chromate.